What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your phone's hotspot. So if you want to be able to download games or stream on your Nintendo Switch using your mobile phone's internet connection, this video will guide you on how to go about that. Mind you, this actually applies to any phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. And it also doesn't matter the type of Nintendo Switch you have, whether you have the Nintendo Switch 1 or the Nintendo Switch 2. First things first, what you want to do is to come over to your phone, and then you want to go ahead and locate the hotspot settings of your phone. To do this, you can go over to the settings of your phone and then just click on the settings icon. Whichever phone you have, you want to go ahead and just select the portable hotspot settings over here, or alternatively you can search for portable hotspot from over here. It will automatically redirect you to where you can actually find your portable hotspot settings. As you can see over here, I can just click on it to take me to my portable hotspot. Another way you can actually open up the hotspot settings of your phone is to just scroll down to this notification center, and over here we have the hotspot icon, so you can just long press on it and it automatically takes you to the portable hotspot settings of your phone. At this point, what you want to do is to click on the set portable hotspot settings, and over here you're going to see your hotspot name and your hotspot password. Basically, you want to take note of the hotspot name and the hotspot password, then click on the OK button over here, and then proceed to make sure that portable hotspot is turned on. Mine, as you can see, is turned on. Once you're done, you can now come over to your Nintendo Switch. At this point, what you want to do is to head over to the settings. You can go ahead and click on the settings icon over here, or use the Joy-Cons to just navigate to the settings icon over here. Select that, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that and then click on internet settings. Now your Nintendo Switch will start to look for available Wi-Fi and hotspot settings it can actually connect to, and as long as the portable hotspot of your phone is turned on, your Nintendo Switch should be able to find it over here. As you can see, these are the network found, so you just want to go ahead and select the name of your portable hotspot. Click on A to select, and then you want to proceed to enter your hotspot password as well. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. Once you're done, click on the done button over here, and it is now connecting. And just like so, we have successfully connected our Nintendo Switch to our mobile phone hotspot. So click on the OK button over here, and at this point you can go ahead and play your online games or stream content on your Nintendo Switch using your mobile phone's internet access. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.